Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you first 11 things to do if you purchase the latest Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. So if you have any Pixel 10 series, you can apply these important 11 tips and tricks. So let's see one by one. These all tips include the lock screen settings, notification settings, security and privacy settings for your Google Pixel device. So let's start with all things. First is the dynamic weather effect. So in the latest Android 16 version, you can see you can apply the live effect to your wallpaper. Like when we unlock my device, you can see the wallpaper effect here, like rain effect on my wallpaper. So if you want to apply this dynamic weather effect to your wallpaper, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen on your Pixel 10 series. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now scroll down. Here you can see the wallpaper option. Tap on it. Now here you can find the live effects option. Tap on it. Now select any photo you want to apply the live effect. So here we select this photo. Now select any photo you want to apply effect. So here we select this photo on my phone. Now here you can select the shape from the photo you want. Also change the background color. Also increase or decrease the brightness of color. Now tap on the weather option at the bottom. Here you can apply the weather effect, dynamic weather effect like local, depend on your country or you live. Second is the fog option. You can increase or decrease the fog effect like this to your wallpaper. Tap on the rain option. So here you can increase the rain like this or snow. Increase or decrease rain effect, snow effect. So you can see the list of different snow effect also. And last is the sun option, glowing your photo. So select the weather effect you can apply on your device. So here we select the rain effect like now tap on the right arrow icon. Here you can see how it looks on your home screen or lock screen on your device. Tap on the next button. Now select you want to set lock screen or home screen. So here we select the only home screen option. So tap on apply button. Now go to home screen and you can see the weather effect on your home screen. Whenever you unlock your device, you can see this weather effect. So this is the amazing feature that is only available in the Pixel 10 series running the Android 16 version. Second is the lock screen clock style clock color. By default, set the lock screen clock style. If you don't like this default clock style, you can change this lock screen clock style and clock color. So to change this lock screen clock style or color, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down, tap on a wallpaper and style. Now make sure select the lock screen option. If you see the home screen option, swipe the right to select the lock screen. Now swipe up and you can find the clock option here. So tap on the clock. Now you can see the list of different clock style here. You want to set on the Pixel 10 series. So select the any clock style you want to set. Like here we select this clock. Now tap on a color to change the clock color. Here you can change the clock color. Also you want here we set this color, green color. Also increase or decrease the brightness of a clock style like this on your device. So here we set this color. Also tap on size to change the clock size as a large or a small. So when notifications aren't visible, you can see this type of notification. Or if you receive the notification, you can see this type of notification of clock. So select the clock style, clock color you want and tap on the apply at the top right corner. Now lock your phone and you can see change the lock screen clock style on your Google Pixel 10 series. So quite easy to change the clock style on your lock screen. Third one is the battery percentage. By default, hide the battery percentage in the status bar. So you can't check how many battery percentage is remaining on your device. So to show the battery percentage in the status bar, open the app drawer, tap the settings app, scroll down up to battery, tap on a battery. Here you can find the option battery percentage. Make sure to toggle on this option to show the battery percentage. By default, when you purchase your Pixel 10, you can't see the battery percentage like this on your device. So make sure to toggle on this option to show the battery percentage on the status bar on your device. Fourth, notification history or a cooldown. Notification cooldown. This both feature is helpful for the notification you receive. If you forgot to show the notification or someone send you message and suddenly remove it, so you can check it using the notification history setting. So make sure to go on this option to don't miss the any notification. So go to settings on your device, scroll down up to the notification. Here you can find the notification history option. So recent and snooze notification. So tap on notification history. Notification history. So toggle on this option. Now whenever someone send you message, you can also check it here on your device. Also, if someone send message and delete also, you can also check it here. So very helpful feature to if you miss any notification on your device. And then another is the notification cooldown. This is the very helpful feature if you are in business meeting or personal meeting or personal work. Notification cooldown feature. Make sure to go on this option. When you receive many notifications within a short time, your device will lower its volume and minimize alerts for the 1 minute. So if you receive multiple notifications at the same time, it will automatically reduce your volume and minimize the alert for the 1 minute on your device. So very helpful feature if you are in business meeting or in personal work. So very helpful feature this notification cooldown. So make sure to go on this option on your device. Fifth is a now playing. You can use the Google's this playing feature. That is very helpful to identify the song playing the nearby your any device on your device. You can also check the now playing history in previous you set on your device. So you can quickly access this now playing history from using the lock screen option. So first you need to enable this feature. So to enable the now playing on your Pixel 10 series, open the app drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll down, tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down at the end and you can find the now playing option. Tap on it. Here you can see by default toggle of the so toggle on this option. Android system you can add it to home screen also if you want. So here we cancel it. Now playing. Show the name and artist of the song playing the nearby you on your lock screen. So here make sure notification is turned on for this feature. Also NS now playing. Use the Google search to identify the song not recognized by your device and provide album network. Also here you can check now playing history and the default music player. Here you can set YouTube music, YouTube or Google Play music also set if you want on your device. So set the music player. Now whenever any song playing the nearby your device, you can quickly identify using the lock screen on your device. Just lock your phone and here you can find the music icon. If you any song play nearby your device, so you can quickly check the song name, artist name in the lock screen using this now playing feature on your picture devices. Next one is the sixth calling cards. This is the new introduced feature in the new material 3 on your device, picture devices. So open the first of all phone app or contact app on your device. Tap on the three horizon line from the top left corner. Tap on a contacts. Now select the any contact you want to add the calling cards or a photo. So here we select this contact. Now you can try adding a calling card feature also or otherwise tap on the pencil icon at the top. So here we tap on the pencil icon. Now tap on the picture and calling card. So tap on it. Now you can select photo from the camera, photo your own photo from the gallery or a Google Photos. So here we select the gallery option. Now select the any photo you want to set when you receive phone call. So here we select this photo with my. Now here you can add change the text font style also like this. You can see the list of different font style. Also change the font color you want on your device like this. So very helpful and new feature calling card. You can customize it also like a font and color. After that tap on a done option. Now confirm and crop. So select the crop photo you want or set as a contact picture. So tap on the save button. So whenever this person is calling you can see this type of photo on your calling. So very helpful feature this calling card in the latest Android 16 version Pixel 10 series. 7. Quick tap gesture. You can use the double tap gesture on the Pixel devices to quickly access application, take a screenshot, play or previews, media player. So very helpful feature to quickly access any of your favorite function or application. To use this feature, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down. until the system. Tap on a system, tap on a gestures. Now at the top you can see the quick tap to start action feature on your device. So tap on it. By default you can see toggle off it. So toggle on this option. Now here you can see tap the back of your phone to quickly access all these functions like a select, take a screenshot, access your digital assistant, launch the Gemini, play or push media, see recent applications, show notification, toggle off, toggle the torchlight on or off, open application. So you can select the open app, setting application and select the application. Let's see with example like here we select the Facebook application. Now open app. Now tap back of your phone twice. Now double tap on the back of your phone on your device and it will helpful to just double tap like this and it will access the Facebook application. Now here you can see access the Facebook application on my phone. So very helpful feature to quickly access application. Now take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot using the double tap, you can use the take screenshot of the device. Just double tap 1 2 and it will take a screenshot like this on your device. So you can use this quick tap gesture on your pixel device to quickly access your favorite application or take a screenshot any other function on your Pixel 10 series. Next three is the privacy related settings. So next one is the 8 advanced protection. So you can secure your device from the threats or any other malware using this advanced protection setting. This is the only available in the latest Pixel 10 series. So make sure enable this feature. Open the app drawer, tap the settings app, scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on a security and privacy. Here scroll down and you can find the advanced protection in the other settings. So tap on advanced protection. Here you can see the advanced protection help defend against online attacks, harmful apps, insecure connection and other threats that put your data at a risk. So here you can see the device protection option, device protection feature, device protection toggle on this option. Now turn on this feature on your device. You need to restart your device to use the device protection feature on your device. So here we select the restart later. Now here you can see the list of protection. This feature help device safety, protect against memory bugs and unsafe apps, networks, prevents insecure connection, web, protects against unsafe website, protects against spam calls and protects against spam and scam. So this is the all important feature. Make sure enable this feature advanced protection. That will helpful to secure your Google Pixel 10's data or all your important information. So make sure enable this feature advanced protection on your device. Next one and the 10th feature is the Android safe browsing. So this is the also helpful feature to alert about the threats when you surf any internet or a website on your Pixel 10 device. So enable it, follow the same setting, go to settings, security and privacy, scroll down. At the end you can find the more security and privacy. Tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can see the Android safe browsing option. Get alerts about the threats from the dangerous website. So here you can see the safe browsing alerts you to security threats like harmful links, web pages when you browse within support apps. So if you open any application or any website and it will find any harmful link or a web page, it will alert you about this. So you can use this feature. So make sure enable this feature also Android safe browsing to secure your phone when you surf any internet or website on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other Pixel device. And the last one is the 11th device health and support. Using this feature, you can check your Pixel device performance. If you are facing any Pixel device issue or Pixel performing issue, you can check it using these settings. So go to settings on your device, scroll down. At the end, you can find the device health and support. Make sure that your device is running its best. So tap on the device health and support. Here you can see your Pixel is in a great shape, so looks good. You can check the battery health, device temperature, storage, software update. You can also check your charging status, check your hardware and settings related issue, also warranty related issue. Also tap on start or repair if you are facing any issue on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device. So this is the very helpful feature, device health and support to check if your device facing any pixel device facing issue or not on your device. So this is the all important first 11 things you must enable on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device. Which one is your favorite features or settings from the above list? Please tell us in the below comment section. Thank you for watching this. Also hype it to share with others for this video. Thank you for watching this.